Hello mga lods! Welcome back! For today's video, we gonna eat tons of oysters. So yeah, this is the left oysters I got now. So I'm gonna put onions. Diba? Oh, ayan. Onions. And then a little bit. Oh, diba? Oh, sana all. Oh, sarap. Pepper, salt, and put some lemon. And then sriracha, my favorite sriracha. Hindi makita. O, ayan. Ayan mga lods.